Hi, how are you? Welcome to the last lecture of section 6. In this lecture, I'll explain how to write conclusion effectively for a mixed essay. I have already mentioned it earlier that there is a minute difference between introduction and conclusion. In this chapter, again we are going to memorize the same. Let's recall the same. Now for writing conclusion, we need two sentence structure. In the first sentence, we restate our opinion. The opinion which we have already given in the introduction, we are going to restate the same in conclusion as well. Now, in the second sentence, we'll be giving the crux of points mentioned in body paragraph 1 and body paragraph 2. Don't forget using although, despite and while. Don't forget using these three words in every essay type except totally agree or totally disagree. Now in totally agree and totally disagree we can use not only but also structure, but in all the other essay types we can use although, despite and while. With the help of these three words, with the help of these three connectors, we can easily write conclusion in a single sentence. A single complex sentence. Let us learn how. Before looking at the conclusion, let us look at the introduction one more time. In the introduction, we firstly paraphrase this statement. So every question has a statement. We paraphrase this statement by this sentence. Technology has advanced at a rapid pace in the past few decades, and the methods through which most individuals use to communicate have been modified with the help of the internet. Now this is the rephrase or paraphrase statement. In the second sentence, we are going to state our opinion. Ab in this say, they have asked our opinion here or the opinion of the essay. This trend is inevitably advantageous as individuals can stay in touch with relatives and friends living miles away, as mankind can stay in touch with relatives and friends living miles away. So we have clearly rephrased the statement along with the opinion. So that's the introduction. But now how are we going to write conclusion? In conclusion, we just have to rephrase whatever we have written in introduction along with the points, summary of points mentioned in the supporting paragraphs. So in conclusion, although the way people converse with each other has changed drastically. So what is this? This is paraphrasing again. So in conclusion, although the way people converse with each other has changed drastically, the benefits that technology has gifted to society and the nation are countless. Now, although the way people converse with each other has changed drastically, but the benefits, we need not to write but with although. I am just explaining you. After although structure, we use comma instead of but and still. So although the way people converse with each other has changed drastically, the benefits that technology has gifted to society and the nation are countless, as it is not only bringing people closer but also improving the economy of a nation. So what is this? I have summarized the points, crux of body paragraph 1 and body paragraph 2. So guys, this is more than enough for a conclusion. Just write the conclusion or any conclusion like such. I'm sure you will get a good band score. Now, in this section 7, I am going to discuss the most important topic of IELTS, and that is grammar. So I'll have 3 lectures in the next section, and in those 3 lectures, I am going to explain some important aspects of grammar. So just wait and watch.